Yeah guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to register on Temu Shopping App. Let's set up our account on Temu Shopping App. I've already downloaded the app and installed it. If you haven't, you can go to your Play Store. You can go and search one of our videos on how to download and install Temu Shopping App. Now I'm going to set up our account now. So I'm going to click on the apps. This is how the apps will look like. You can see even the graphics there is really amazing. Now this is it. So I'm going to accept all. So now we don't have any account here. You can see this, it is signing. So I'm going to click on signing now. So let's wait for it. So it's going to take us to where we're going to use to sign in. So it has us to slide to complete the sorry, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, I think it's this one. Yep, so this is it. So after that, let's sign in. Let's click on sign in now. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So click on continue with Google. Now I'm going to choose an account. Now you can see it is successfully logged in, and this is it. You can now search for anything you want to buy using order. This is very simple. So guys, if this video helpful, smash the like button, don't click comment and subscribe. See you guys.